Hi guys, Mike here for Expert Trades, doing a review on this Neilsen Zion socket rail and sockets. Now I have a friend who's a motor mechanic, and as most motor mechanics are, he's a complete snap-on freak. Personally, I've got some snap-on stuff. I think it's vastly overpriced for what it does, but everybody to their own. But I was really quite bemused when he kept telling me about these Neilsen Zion sockets. Now, these sockets are £10 for 15 sockets. Come with a socket rail, and they also come with two 13 and two 10mm, which is good because these are the most common used sizes I tend to find. And also for a 1/4 inch socket set as a 14, which comes in use if you're working on a push bike, because I tend to find now and again people ask me to look at a push bike for them and need a 14mm, and it saves you getting a completely different set for it, because I rarely ever go over 1/4 inch drive myself. I do have a 1/2 inch and 3/8, but never really need it. But anyway, these sockets, when he kept raving about them, it did really confuse me, like I say, being a snap-on freak. But I'll tell you what, I've got them and I've not been disappointed. The interesting feature these sockets have is inside the teeth jaw, if you can see it there, it does have little teeth in it. And what they've tried to do is replicate snap-on's flank drive feature, which they have done very, very well, and it does work. What they're designed to do is give a standard bolt letter, just round it off like that. They will grip it, surprisingly. And bear in mind, for the money, this was £10. £10 you can get these, or you can get this very funky coloured Sealy set, which, frankly, are crap compared to these for £10. Now, I'm an absolute wheeler freak myself, but I like these that much. I bought the 3/8 and the 1/2 inch drive ones and the deep 1/4 inch ones, because I've been that impressed with these, and I would recommend them to anybody. And I've done a demonstration on working, which I'll show you now, and you'll be pleasantly surprised, I hope. Anyway, thanks guys.